don't know how to operate this kind of, ow, Stanley cup. Danielle has one. One of my coworkers has one. This is my first bottle Stanley. But that hits, so now I understand. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a very exciting video, but before I get into that, I just want to say to everyone, if you haven't seen my community post, thank you all for the congratulations on my pregnancy and the gender reveal. I feel like I've just been dropping stuff to you guys just out of the blue. So there's no more of that for now. It's been a crazy last few months, and to keep my pregnancy a secret from you guys has been a struggle because, as I mentioned in my, I think it's my what I got for Christmas video, I'm not quite sure, I have been struggling to keep that secret to myself. And also, we are kind of a mess today. Hair is a bit of a mess. Just makeup is simple. We're gonna get a snowstorm in Connecticut. My boobs just feel really huge and gigantic, so we're just gonna work with what we got. I wanted to do a very special haul. This is my first baby haul. I'm very excited about my first baby haul on my channel. I've been slowly collecting baby things over the years, just cause like if I see something cute that I know I want to buy for my child, that I just end up getting it. All gender neutral, so if you guys want to see a whole video of what I already have, then let me know. But in the meantime, literally, okay. So we found out last week, obviously, what we were having. You guys found out New Year's Day, and literally the day after, I went to TJ Maxx and I got a whole bunch of stuff for him. A lot of the stuff was on clearance as well. And you'll be shocked to know that I literally didn't buy myself really anything except maybe 2 things, right? Yeah, basically 2 things. Oh, and candy, but I don't have the candy here because it's still in the cabinet. I'm going through weird things pregnant. I used to be able to, I don't know, like I'll get a craving for something, I need to have it, and then I don't ever want it again. It's a very weird thing. So let's just get into this. First thing that I got for myself, I saw this sitting by itself on the shelf and there was nothing wrong with it, so I got this Hello Kitty coffee tumbler. I low-key feel like I'm getting sick of my, not getting sick of my Starbucks tumblers, but I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I'm over that a little bit, so I am going to be cleaning them out and maybe selling some or donating some that I don't like or giving them away. Stay tuned for that. That will be happening at some point, one of these weekends coming up. I also got a Hello Kitty Christmas decor sign. I think I showed you guys in my holiday haul video. It's basically the same thing as the one that I got in that video where it's Hello Kitty and her dress is actually made of candy, like a candy cane peppermint pattern instead of the Christmas tree one, but now I have both, but I did put it away with all my Christmas stuff. Now for the record, I am planning on having a baby shower sometime in the spring. I haven't really have to start planning that probably soon, maybe next month or so. I'm gonna start planning that. I know that I will be getting other things from family and friends and whatever, like I know, but it just doesn't compare to me going out and getting him things, because I think I'm just always gonna buy him things because that's me. Hi, we went a little psycho. We did. One thing that I've learned as an expecting mom is obviously don't buy all the clothes, like don't buy a lot of newborn clothes, don't buy a lot of 0 to 3. You get it. So these are all different sizes, but I mostly wanted to get 0 to 3, 3 to 6 as short sleeve like onesies for him, because since I am due in July and it's going to be hot, he's literally just going to be in probably like short sleeve onesies with his legs out and whatever, and all day. Like, I'm not even kidding. Or he might just be in a diaper if it's really hot. I'm not kidding. But we'll see when the time comes, you know? But that's just my whole mindset. Like, I just want to get him things that he's going to be able to not, like, get overheated and just breathe, that are breathable. Most of the stuff is also on clearance, too, which is a steal. This cute little set. Look how cute! There's a little bear on there. And then the second one is striped. And then the last one just has little stars. But they do also come with pants. So once it gets colder, I can throw him in pants. And the size is 3 to 6. Yeah. I learned also that if it says 3 months or 6 months, it means 3 to 6 or 6 to 9 instead of just that number of months. So 2 for the fall time. It's a little bit better for when it gets cooler out. So excited, I can't breathe. And then I found this outfit, which is so cute for the fall. Come on. It's like a little hoodie, and then on the inside is just another short sleeve onesie, and then it comes with these little black sweatpants. This is a 3 to 6 month Carter's. This was on clearance for $9.50. This whole set was on clearance for $16.50. So, I mean, not too bad. I don't really give a crap about the name brand of clothes. I just hope that they last. And if they don't, then it is what it is. Okay, live and learn. As for brands, the first set is Little Me, and this one is Carter's, which is so summertime. He's gonna be a summer baby, hopefully a water baby, born in the summertime. So I got him this little tank top onesie, although the bottom's a little like diapery, but whatever, it's fine. It just has a really cute little pear on there, and then the other one just has pears all over it. This one was it says 000, 0 to 3 months. I don't know. This is also by Little Green & Co. and it was $8 from 10. Some clearance deals. I'm just like, TJ Maxx, are you okay? Are you all right? I don't know, but I got this for him. So cute to throw him in. Trying to picture in my head, like, what season it'll be when he's like this amount of months old, but then again, you always can't guarantee that they're going to be that big and fit into it and you get it. But I'm just being optimistic, and I just bought some stuff. So that was my mindset as well, buying all this, not just for when he's born, but also fall and winter time. So I also got him this really cute little fuzzy onesie set. This is 6 to 9 months in Carter's, and you guys, let's look at the hood. It's just so cute. So cute, because around 6 to 9 months, I think it's going to be, let's see, like January to March. So this will be perfect to throw him in if he gets cold or something, or to go out. I can just put him in this in the car seat and go, because fun fact, you're not supposed to put a heavy jacket on a child in a car seat. And that's not even me just saying that for a baby, but just in general for kids. You're not supposed to do that. This next one, I don't know why they call this This was like one of them TJ Maxx tags that was like, either this was returned or it fell off something and they just wrapped it up and put a tag on it and said, we're going to sell it anyway. But I don't know. I thought it was still cute. This is by the brand Toby. It is a 0 to 3 month cute little onesie. And yet, that's what I mean. Do you see that? Do you see that? And it was only marked down to $5.50 from $6.99 for this one onesie. But whatever. I don't know. It's just nice and light and breathable for him as well. His little feet. So cute. And it has the angled, which my mom was with me and she was like, why did they do that? And I'm like, because it's easier to change them. She's like, I never had that for you or your sister. I'm like, times change, Mom. But anyway, it's just super cute. You know, I know like a lot of moms want their kids to have a certain style even when they're a baby. I mean, I just kind of want him to, you get it. You can kind of see from the vibe, like kind of earthy, kind of neutral, kind of not always going to be this way, obviously, but I didn't want to bombard him with a whole bunch of blue clothes and, you know, all that. So I know that that's probably going to happen anyways from my family and stuff, so it's fine. This got this little onesie set. This also comes with a long sleeve onesie too, so you don't have to have it with the overalls, obviously. Little lions on there. It's by Rabbit Bear Organic, and this was $10 down from $12.99. Again, the clearance price is TJ Maxx. These should all be more, but it's fine. And this is a 3 to 6, so he'll be able to wear this in the fall and the winter time, which I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a little human. I'm gonna have a little human. Oh my God. Next thing that I ended up getting are these Nike bodysuits. They were not on clearance, but again, with the same idea, I just wanted to get him some onesies that were short sleeve, that were breathable, that he could just wear whatever. And I could also, you know, put different pants and stuff on him. Wear them all year round. Well, maybe not all year round, but as long as he'll fit into these, basically. So these were 3 to 6 months. We just got some neutrals, some grays, some creams, some browns in there. Just, yeah. And I also was thinking too, especially for summertime, I don't want to put him in like black and dark clothing. Obviously, I think that's a no-brainer, but I don't know. Me, just as a mom, I'm already thinking like, he's not going to be in dark clothing. He's going to be in light clothing, or maybe not in any clothing at all. We'll see what happens. I don't know. If you know, you know. If you're a mom, maybe you can relate to what I'm trying to say. I've lost my mind. It's fine. This is a cute little Wrangler flannel onesie. For my little man. Oh my gosh. And it's 3 to 6 months. It's $5.50 down from $6.99. Super cute Wrangler brand. Oh my God. I wonder if this did originally come with pants. I don't know, but I just wanted it for the flannel. It's so cute. He's gonna be so handsome. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This threw me for a loop because, well, not really me, my mom, because she was like, oh my gosh, you need to get this. It's Calvin Klein. It's only $1. So yes, this is on clearance for $1. It is not Calvin Klein though. The hanger is a liar. This is by the brand Baby Rebels, and this is a 6 to 9 months. So he can wear this once he gets bigger. And it's just a little dinosaur. It says, hello. Super cute. I think this is like the only blue thing that I did get for him. Okay, and then the last thing, he's wearing this next year for Thanksgiving. I don't care. He's wearing it next year. This is by the brand Tahari. I feel like there's a lot of this brand floating around TJ Maxx, but it was $6 from $7.99, and it's this cute little set that says, I'm thankful for my family, and it comes with little pants of acorns on them and then a little matching hat. I don't know if I'm gonna put the hat on him. We'll see if he wants it or not, or if he rips it off. We'll see. But his little hat, he's so cute. And this was, I believe it's 6 to 9 months, or 3 to 6, I mean. Yes, I just realized I bought this without actually seeing the size. Oh no, it is 3 to 6. It is 3 to 6. So he will fit in this next year for Thanksgiving, hopefully. If he's not too big of a chunk, but hopefully he will. How cute. Oh my god, I just can't wait. I'm so excited. Anyway, so yeah, that was my little baby haul so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys want to see a video of me showing you the stuff that I already have for him, that I've collected over the years, I have a lot of babies. So far, I have like books, a lot of books I collected from my old job. I'm not even gonna lie. Clothes here and there. The first ever outfits I ever bought for my future child, which I might have featured in a haul years ago, and people probably thought I was insane, but I don't know. Maybe I was already predicting the future and I already knew it was going to be a boy. I can't talk. I feel like I'm losing my mind now because it's very difficult for me to talk and process. Like my brain is just like, huh? Duh? What? I cannot wait to start taking my focus gummies again. I cannot wait. We got like 7 more months to go. 6.5, whatever. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notification to know when I post a new video. And I hope I'm caught up on videos by the time you guys see this. Because I'm a little behind right now. But that's okay. That's okay. Because I'm still getting used to being pregnant and being now in my 2nd trimester. And I am officially 14 weeks today that I'm filming this. Crazy. So I think he's the size of not a lemon anymore. He's bigger than that. I know that for sure. I'm feeling the growing pains. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Oh, a peach. I think it's a peach this week. So a peach. That's crazy. What? I don't know. But anyways, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.